Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to sin t. ds we have cosine t dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 in here to find the value of t. So t equals to number 0 when s equals to the square root of number 3 over 2. So we put this one in here and we find the value of t equals to b over 3. So this one we change by b over 3. About s we change by sin t. ds we change by cosine t dt. One minus sin t square we change by cosine t square. Cosine t square with the power 3 over 2, we have cosine t to the power of 3. Cosine t simplified by cosine t. So we have sin t over cosine t to the power of 2. And this one we change tan t. Tan t square we change into secant of t square minus 1. The integration of secant of t square, we have tan t about number 1, that's about t. And now we put the bounds from 0 to b over 3. And now we put b over 3 go here, number 0 go here. So we put b over 3 in here. Number 0 in here. So tan b over 3, that's about the square root of number 3 minus b over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.